Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to fix the issue which is while you try to update your Windows 10 PC and you are getting the update failure error which is 0x80070643 against one of the security update named KB5034441. So let me show you how to fix it. Why this error? This update error is not related Windows update itself. So if you try any of the Windows repairs, it won't fix the issue. If you try to click on this update link, then it will redirect to Microsoft support page, and there you can see error details and how to fix it. This update error is related to WinRE partition. This update need more space on WinRE partition to fit in it. You can see here this update requires 250 MB of free space in the recovery partition to install successfully. If the recovery partition does not have sufficient free space, this update will fail. In this case, you will receive the following error message which is 0x80070643. So fixing this issue, what you have to do is simply resize the WinRE partition on your computer. So let me show you how to do it. So before going to do these steps, you make sure that you understood complete step what I'm saying in this video. Then you can do it properly without any worries. Also take backup of your data before going to do this for your safety. So let us start. So here first what we have to do is just create that 250 MB free space. For that, just right click on this PC and click manage, and here just click on disk management. Here you can see all the disk details. There is you can see disk 0. Under that there is 4 partitions, and you can see there is one healthy recovery partition 549 MB it is. So maybe there is no space on it for installing this update. So we have to create that 250 MB free space. For that, just right click on C drive, and here just click on shrink volume. Just wait for it to shrinking. Okay, here enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So here you have to type 250. Okay, now click on shrink. Okay, now it started shrinking. Okay, now it's created. So next what we have to do is just combine these spaces together. That we cannot do it here. So for that, just click on start menu and type cmd, and you can see command prompt. Just click run as administrator, and here first you have to type reagent c space /disable. Hit enter. Now the recovery environment is disabled. Now you have to type disk part. Hit enter. Now you have to type list disk. It will listed what all disks are connected. So you can see here. Okay. Now you have to type select disk 0, hit enter. Now the disk 0 is selected. Now type list part. So now all the partitions are listed. So you can see that here also. Okay, you can see it, all the partitions here and there. Okay, now the partition 3 is the recovery partition. You can see here, partition 3 is the recovery partition. So we are going to combine this together. So here next you have to type select part 3. Part 3 means recovery partition. You can see, hit enter. Now that partition is selected. Now what you have to type is delete partition space override. Hit enter. Now the partition is deleted, and you can see here, now that is combined together. Okay, you can see here that now the space is 80 MB. So now you have to right click on it and click new symbol volume and click next and click next. And here just select do not assign the drive letter or drive path. Click next, and here just you can label the name. I just writing recovery. Click next, click finish. Now you can see the recovery that drive is created. Now what you have to do is enter exit, hit enter, and now you have to type reagent space / enable, hit enter. Sorry, reagent C, we missed C. Okay, reagent C space / enable, hit enter. Now the recovery environment is enabled. Click close, and here this also close. Now you have to try to restart your system once. Now the system is restarted. Now we can check that update working or not. Just click start and settings, and here just click update and security. Okay, just click update history, and here you can see failed to install that error. So now just click retry. Okay, that security update, you can see KB5034441. Now it's started installing. Okay, now the update is completed. That is different error. Okay, we can go to update history. There you can see that security update KB5034441 is successfully installed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.